What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we are trying to grow this $2 account on gold. If you guys can see, gold is currently bearish and I'm sharing all these signals in the Telegram group. So I'll just go ahead and actually show you guys it's a live account, and now we'll get our first entries. So I'm bearish on gold. I'll actually add sell positions into the market. Then I'll be updating you guys throughout. Right now we are actually in slight profits and it's looking good. The setup is actually looking very good. So I'll be looking to grow this account to maybe $100 to maybe $200, but just to show you guys that it's possible. If you guys can see, with a market structure shift and we got our sell entries and the market is already pushing downwards and we are holding our setup. My TP levels are all the way down there. I'm actually expecting the market to trade all the way to my take profit. Maybe that will be $8 on both positions. I'll be aiming to grow the account to maybe $10. Then from $10 I grow the account to maybe $50 or $40. This is what we are looking at so far, and the market is moving well. We had a good entry. As soon as we got into the market started moving in our direction, which is something that we look for when we get into the markets. Right now I'll just give you guys a trade update when the market has given us movement, but I'm looking to see all that sell side liquidity being swept. All those lower lows we're making before making lower highs, I'm expecting to see those being swept as the market goes down. Right now I'm also being tempted to actually add more positions because this is a very good setup. This is what you do when you have a nice setup. This is how you trade it. When it's a nice setup, you can even feel free to add more positions into the market. So I'll just go ahead and actually add 2 more positions. I'll just wait for the perfect time to add them. Then I add 2 more positions in the market so that we can actually have a good trade, so that we can actually maximize on good setups like this. This is one of the A+ setups that I told the Telegram group, buy with everything, because I have so much confidence in the setup. I have so much confidence we'll have that drop. We are actually looking at about a 60 pip drop from our first position, and that's very possible. I actually see gold dropping even all the way to 100 pips. Right now I added 2 more positions in the market and I'll just continue holding. Then I'll give you guys an update very soon. But if you guys look at the structure, this is what we call a market structure shift, and this is the retracement. Now we are waiting for the ultimate sell move. I'll emphasize this again and again. Most of you guys come to me asking for mentorship, but just being in the Telegram group, being in the community, and also going through the old videos, my mentorship videos, you will learn a lot. You don't even need to pay for mentorship if you just stick to those, because mentorship, sometimes I don't find time to actually give people mentorship. So whether it's paid or it's free, I don't manage to do that. I advise you guys to be in the Telegram group, and I advise you guys to also be watching these videos because they help you a lot. They help you in so many different ways. There are mentorship videos on this channel if you scroll, and they can help you a lot. So right now I'll just wait for the market to go to maybe $10. Then I'll close some of the positions and leave one to actually hit the full take profit. At the same time, I'm here to prove to you guys that it's actually possible to make money from small accounts. You don't need a big amount to make money. If you just master the skill, when you now know where the market is going, after mastering the skill, it's very possible to actually be in a position where you can grow small accounts like this into bigger accounts. Right now I'll just go ahead and actually close my positions. I'll close maybe 3 of them and leave 1 position to run all the way to TP, or if I see a retracement coming, I'll close that positions so that we can add another position. So right now let me just see if we have a retracement coming. I'll just look at the charts, but I suspect heavily that we are going to have a retracement into an OTE so we can re-enter. I think it also might be safe to just see if we hit TP, but if we see a small retracement coming, I'll just go ahead and close my position. Then I'll re-enter right at the top again. Now I'm re-entering the market with $10. Let's see if we actually get our TP. But if we don't get our TP, we'll just close and re-enter right at the top. We've already secured most of our profits. Right now we just watch the charts and we just see what happens. But it's very possible to flip small accounts into bigger accounts. Right now I can sense that we have a retracement coming. I can see we have a retracement coming. It's the wise thing to do right now is to just go ahead and actually close my position. I'll just do that, and at the same time I can already see that we've traded into a fair value gap, so I close my position so that I have extra margin in the market. I don't think the market will actually trace all the way to my entry zone on the fibs, since we already did that with our first market structure shift. We'll just go ahead and actually add more positions at this current level we are at, because I heavily suspect the market would drop so bad from here. Closing all positions gave me extra margin. I'm now trading with a $10 account margin, and now I expect the market to actually drop all the way to my initial take profit. Small drawdown, but I'll give you guys an update in a bit because I have so much trust in that setup.
I'm taking a break. You are not going to see me here for a long time, but I will be around.
The account is moving very well. As we predicted, the market has actually dropped to the zones that we're expecting it to go to. Right now, we just continue holding, and right now we are $18. We flipped the account once again, but as I've told you guys, my target this time around is $40, $50. So we'll just continue holding our trade and we see where we take it to. But this is how you trade small accounts. This is the blueprint to trading small accounts, right? If I feel like adding more positions, this is the perfect time to do so. But I will just continue holding and I will see where the market goes. But this is a perfect time to actually add more positions. I'll actually add a 0.05 in the market, since we have a cushion, since we have a layer that will protect us. I'll give you guys a trade update very soon, but so far this looks very good. Trade update. Welcome back, guys. This is crazy. Our $2 account is now at $33, and we are now trying to close some $50 now. This is just crazy movement. This is how you trade small accounts. All you need is precision. All you need is that extra margin. I'll go ahead and close some of my positions so that we can actually protect our profits. But I'm very happy with where we are right now, and we are in the right direction towards our profit target. I'll close some of the positions so that we can even re-enter later at a later stage into this pay or another pay, but with more margin. I'm very happy with where we are. A minor retracement, we are closing down some of our trades, but I'm so happy we actually managed to accomplish this goal. We actually managed to flip our $2 goal to around almost $40 now. Right now, I'll just go ahead and actually close most of the positions that I had in the market as we are retracing, and I might not close all of them depending if we reject, but with this candle closure that we are having, then maybe it's safe to actually close all positions. Right now, so far, I've only left one in the market, and I'll give you guys a trade update very soon. Now we are about to get in for the big trade, the one that will take us from zero to nothing. I'll just draw my fibs to get that perfect re-entry opportunity that I always tell you guys about. That opportunity that we have, we are waiting for that perfect golden zone, the 0.62 level, the zone in between 0.5 and 0.62. That's where we are getting our interest from. When the market gets to our retracement zone, we are going to go full margin in the markets. We are going to actually go full margin. That's the trade that will take us from where we are to the next big milestone. If it ends up blowing, we have just blown a $2 account at the end of the day. If you want to be flipping accounts, then don't be getting attached to the amount that you see on your screen. Be attached to the first amount that you deposit that you're already willing to lose. In this case, I'm still treating this as $2 for my emotional sake, so that I don't get emotional. No matter how big I grow the account, I'll still treat it as $2, because in the beginning I was ready to lose it, and it's not money I was planning on using. If you deposit money that you're not willing to lose, that's when you end up trying to protect the money and being emotional and making emotional decisions that will lead to blowing your trading account. Right now, I'll just start going full margin. Since we are in the zone that we're looking at, since we're in the golden zone, I'll actually now go full margin, and I'll give you guys a trade update, and I'll tell you guys what happens. Right now, we are in so much drawdown.
Right now, anything's possible.
Yo, boom, I make it look so easy. We've actually managed to grow our $2 account to over $100, which was our initial target. Right now, I'll go ahead and close all the positions, but if you master the skill in Forex, you can do the impossibles, you can do anything. This is just a $2 account that was grown to about $180 in minutes. Actually, we managed to do this in minutes because we are trading on the M1 time frame, and yo, right now we are currently floating above $200 just because we allowed Forex to do. So the only reason why I close my positions bit by bit is I still know that there's potential to go down. As I close, we are also making more money, if that makes sense to you. as I close my positions, the market is still dropping, and that's a good thing. We are making more money. At the end of the day, I'm not sure where the account will be, but I'm confident that we managed to flip this account more than 10 times, which is 100x our account. Our initial investment was actually $2, but now the account is floating above $200. Let me just check the balance, but the account is now floating around $220. This is where the account is, and I'm actually seeing the account going even further. But right now, I think I'm content with what I made, and that's it for today's episode. I'll just go ahead and actually close all the positions that we are holding, and I'll give you guys another trade update in the next video. The market sentiment right now is currently bullish. We are closing our positions because the market can just reverse. In terms of that rejection, it was a guaranteed rejection, but going all the way to our take profits, it might not be as guaranteed. I'll just go ahead and leave these two positions open so that if the market actually goes to our take profit, we make extra money, but I'm okay with having break even on this trade. Right now, we'll just watch what happens, but I'm not as confident in this trade, so I'll just leave one position because it's most likely going to reverse from where we are right now, and then we'll see what happens. But we've made our money, we've done our goal, flipping a $2 account into $100.
The lion is back. This is the return of the tiger. I am back in Kawempe. I'm back. Yes. Thank you.
Exciting news, everyone. If you have managed to stay this far into the video, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away the whole $200 that we made from today's episode to one lucky winner. In order to get in for the challenge, for the giveaway challenge, make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe right now, and you send me a screenshot on Telegram. A screenshot along with your YouTube username to enter the raffle. Right now, we'll just be closing at around break even since the market has been retracing all the back to our entry. I'll give you guys the giveaway winner in the next video. For now, subscribe and comment and share this video with your family and friends. We've managed to flip this account from $2 to $200, which is something that's even crazy to think about, but we have managed to do it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're in the Telegram group. I'll catch you guys in the next one.